Mic check, 1, 2, 3.
I hope it's working. It's on. It's green.
Wasn't on earlier.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Big T SRT here. Today's video, nothing special really. We got just a couple small things we're gonna put on the car. Got the all black steering wheel buttons. Shout out to my homie Marcus for getting me these. He had the black ones. He seen my silver ones. He was like, "Bro, we can make a trade." I was like, "Let's do it." So we're gonna put these on, and then tonight we got a car meet to go to. So I'm gonna head to a car meet, wipe the car down, drop these out to him. It's all different order, but we're gonna make it happen, and we'll see you back in a little bit.
Let's get it. Cold start.
All right, y'all. So we got the steering wheel taken off. Not the steering wheel, the airbag. um, yeah. So tools needed, required. Really, they're gonna be 10 millimeter socket. Possibly need a small extension and a ratchet or whatever you have to put on that socket. But you're gonna need to take the two bolts off in the back to get the steering wheel off. First things you're gonna want to do are disconnect the battery, just in case. You're not really disconnecting the airbag. I just have mine sitting here, but just in case you don't want this thing to blow up in your face. And yeah, so you're gonna need to disconnect the battery. Then you got two 10 millimeter bolts on the back of the steering wheel here, and these little cubbies here and there. And then steering wheel will come off, and then you're gonna want to pop off the two steering wheel controls. There's clips on the steering wheel controls at the top here, top and bottom on both sides. Take small little flathead or pocket screwdriver, pick whatever you can to pop those off, and then I'll show you right now how to get the buttons off. All right, so here we have here. One of them is already changed out. We have a before, the after, and then side by side comparison. So my whole steering wheel is black. I ended up changing out my whole interior, or not my whole interior, but side door panels and everything to the black from the '08 to 2010 interior. But it just looks a whole lot better with the black buttons. So these silver ones are going to be going on a silver car. I mean, yes, exterior, but it'll still be a good difference of in color, good change. But with these here, so you're going to want to pop off these little clips here. So get yourself a pocket screwdriver, like I said, or pick whatever kind you got, or whatever you got. Pop these off there.
Damn.
And it's as simple as that. You know, pop them off. And then I'm gonna get in here. So to get the buttons off, how I'm doing it here, there's on the side, inside here, on the side of the white little tabs. There's tabs in here that you just, kind of push to the side and push the button off there. Off. But when you got these there, you got them both off, and it's as simple as putting it back on as this. On. Oh, that's for the side. You apply pressure, and you'll hear a click. Put them back on, and that's it. And then you got to put in. So this here. What I do for these, I put these on first together. Makes sense, plug goes in there like that. And then you got it like that. And just clip them back in. Simple as that. 4 little clicks. Boom, boom, boom. And we're good to go. But yeah, this is how it came out right here. So it looks a lot better with the black compared to the silver. Like I was saying, my steering wheel is all black for the most part. So eventually I'm gonna get a different airbag cover, and then I want to get rid of this red here, make it purple to flow with the rest of my accents. But there's also so putting it back in, it's just got one plug on each button for each connector there. Goes back in there, clips in. And the same for this one. Goes in there. Just clips in. Boom. Well, cover. And then you got the 2 bolts that'll go back in the back. So, one, 2. Just to tighten them up. I'll sand the bolts back there. Two 10mm bolts for those. There you go. There you have it. Black buttons look a lot better. A lot better than the silver. Yeah. All right. Now that's finished. I'm gonna get ready to head to this car meet. I'll see you guys there. Let's see if it's a good turnout. All right, yeah, we're on the way. Car meet finally. Not finally, but we're on the way.
dark ass tint.
Only 15% in the front. It looks pretty clear in the video though. Yeah, that's why don't at me about these high beams, right? I can't see. That's why they're on. They don't look that bright. Yeah, but we're pulling up to the meet in a minute. Hopefully it's popping a little bit. Probably won't be there that long, but just wanted to pull up for a minute. But check it out in a minute. All right, y'all, we made it. We're here. Got her out. HD meets. Wide body scat over there. Oh, that's a Hellcat. Hellcat, my bad. Correction. Let's go see what's here. What do you think, babe? What's your favorite car here? Don't embarrass me, okay? Don't embarrass me. You should say my car.
The Chrysler 300 right off the back.
I don't think the Chrysler.
The Chrysler 300, of course.
Yeah, she said my car. My car's the best one here. Or for her favorite car here, I should say. Good choice. Smart answer.
Put me on the spot. That wasn't fair.
Just kidding. You can say whatever
kidding.
car you like, bro.
I
car.
like the color of that purple.
I think sounds good.
That purple one just caught my eye.
Yeah, that imagine. Well, I'll check it out in a second, but imagine. Oh, he's about to go get wild. Just kidding. Not yet.
But the 300 in purple?
Yeah, of course. That's dope. Subi.
Oh, that's a pretty green. That was on bags, huh?
Oh, of course, yeah. That thing is low. There's a bag Tesla over there too. It's the only way I would drive a Tesla. Minus the big wing. It's the only way I drive one. Right there. Sheesh. That makes me miss my truck right there. Wheel lights. What y'all think? Should I get some on the 300? Let me get the color changing ones though. Oh, dang. Hybrid seat. My bad, bro. I can't even hear this thing. Can't even hear him. He almost ran me over. Oh, I didn't even see. Look, that car was in the way. I didn't even notice the bagged V right there. Okay. He's on slicks. He's probably fast. Super. Should we bump some Mexican music out of here? Yeah, when we leave? Let's do it or what?
Yeah, as long as you start working on your Spanish.
I will.
Gotta talk about it, be about it.
With the Camry over there beating. That's what it sounds like. If y'all can't hear it. I know I got the mic on. Camo wrapped Jeep.
I'm telling you, I want a white Jeep with cow print.
No, we're not driving around in a cow Jeep. Okay. That V is clean. They're fastballs right there. I wouldn't keep up.
No.
All right, what y'all think? So this color right here, dope. Dope color on this Beamer. I think it's a 340i. Dope color. How would that look on the 300? On Big Bertha. Big Bertha. That color is dope. If he had bags, it would set it off. Or black rims. But this color is sick. Look at that. Yeah, that's hard. That might be an option right there. I don't want to copy nobody, but that shit's clean. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, mini truck. If I was small, like if I wasn't 6'5", if for those who are, don't know me, I'm 6'5", 280 pounds, yeah, I would definitely drive one of these Helixes, Toyota Helix or whatever, or some dope trucks. But no, babe, I can't do it. That color is sick though. I do like that color. I like it. I like it a lot. Ow, my ears. You want some saucy nugs?
Free advertising. Hi, Wendy's.
Saucy nugs.
Always nice to see a classic.
Yeah. Can't wait to get the truck out. I might put the truck on the channel. Y'all see it. Y'all will see it eventually.
What truck is it?
You'll see the green machine. It'll be a, what sounds good right now? Frosty.
Let's go.
I don't know if they take tap. I don't know.
Well, let's find out.
They got a new flavor too. You know that? It's like a raspberry. Hold on. I see people next to my car. Oh, they ain't looking at it. It ain't that cool. Never mind. Just kidding. What? Why you laughing?
You clowning on yourself.
Oh, he's taking a picture. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, I'm gonna be up on HD Meets. He took a picture. Let's go. He took a picture of the car. Oh, those reverse lights are sick. It's purple. I don't know what color this is. But you see the wheels? The heart wheels?
Oh, see, I like that.
A lot of people have those. Not people, but I see them quite a bit. Oh, Willie's over there. Oh. All right, we're taking a break from the meet for a second. We just got here, but we need a break already. You already know what's about to happen.
Dessert time.
You're.
Can I see myself?
You heard what he said? He said, how's the little carny thing? You tell him to pull up. Bring the whip.
Who?
That dude, he was like, how's the little car meet thing?
Oh. Hello. It's the triple berry that they have.
Yeah, I tried it. It's alright. I'm about to get.
They have vanilla frosty still?
Unfortunately, I actually only have one side working, so I only have chocolate for today.
Only chocolate.
Chicken.
Chocolate?
Oh, I mean, that's one side. Want me to do large?
Medium.
The Cinnabon full of heart trees?
What?
And then that's it.
Ooh.
Anything for that order?
TJ?
Alright, babe. That's what we get.
Frosties.
Sheesh.
And then a Cinnabon?
They was like McDonald's right now. Oh, that color's sick. They was like McDonald's right now though. Which ones did they not have?
Vanilla and the triple berry.
Vanilla and the triple berry, the new one. Only chocolate tonight. It's all good though.
Love me some chocolate.
This is PG-13, okay, babe? This PG-13 audience. No, I'm just kidding.
All I'm saying is, like,
Clean Mustang. My son would be in love with that Mustang right now. I always tell him Mustangs are slower. Slower than Big Bertha over there. Over there. Sheesh. They're wilding already. See when they're gonna start ruining the parking lot today. Ah, fuck. And the homie was supposed to pull up. He didn't pull up. I don't see him. Nowhere to be found. Crickets. Sorry, I got my ride or die with me. On the real though, what color should I wrap her? What color? I like the black, but if y'all know, in sunny Southern California, black car does not stay clean at all. Is that a Supra? Somebody buy me the fog lights for these off eBay. They're like almost $500. I take donations. I'm gonna start a GoFundMe. For a wrap, for a supercharger, for some bags, and the fog lights. You know, because yeah,
Brother and me.
yeah. The Help a Brother Foundation. No, it's the Help a Nigga Out Foundation. Oh my gosh, it's loud. Little Sentra SR. It's clean. Oh, is that a Supra? Mustang and the. How's it going?
Making some content?
Yes, sir.
Alright, we're gonna make some content.
Hell yeah, let's do it.
How you doing, man?
Good, how are you? Terrence. You know that from over there. Nice to meet you.
We're shooting some content for HD Memes, man.
Oh yeah.
Do you come out here often, or?
I've been to a few. This is my first one in this area.
Thank you for showing up tonight. I know we got a couple of people that are not from the HD showing up to the HD.
Yeah.
You know, trying to take over our, you know.
Yeah.
Anyways, hey, I got a couple questions for you. Have you seen the first Fast and the Furious movie, the first one?
Yes.
Alrighty. So we're gonna have like a little trivia, man. I got 5 questions for you to answer, right? And if you get them all correctly, you'll win $20. How does that sound? I don't remember. How does that sound good? You ready?
Yeah.
You ready? What's your name again?
Terrence.
Terrence.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What's going on, guys? This is Hype, and we got my boy Terrence over here. What's going on, Terrence?
Nothing much.
Chilling.
All right. Out here, HD Meats.
Hey, man, I got these 5 questions for you, right? You seen the first Fast and the Furious movie, right?
Yes.
All right, let's run it. First question. What was the restaurant that Mia told Brian to take her to?
Blake.
All right, we're gonna pass that one.
All right, he got me. Yeah.
Right,
he got me. Oh man.
That one. Everybody gets a pass, okay? Next question. What engine was in the orange Supra?
UJZ?
There you go, guys. There you go. Next
I almost
question.
forgot for a second. Are you ready?
Next question. Are you ready?
Yeah.
What engine and exhaust was Hector running?
Ooh. Spoon. So spoon engine. I can't remember. Yeah. What exhaust or what engine?
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
I know exactly. I don't know exactly, but I know it was something. It was JDM spoon engine, but I don't know if it was.
What you want, you could do so. You
Dang.
Not even like the whole just say like.
Brian when he said he's like, you know, Hector's running this,
I know. And as much as we watched that movie too,
I know. On
Yeah.
repeat.
I know.
It just stays playing in the background, huh? You guys
Yeah.
don't really watch it.
Watch all of them.
Yeah. Yeah. Yep.
Alrighty. Next question or what? Next question. All right, you ready? Next question. What's the make and model of Letty's car?
Ooh. In the first one.
First one. What is the
She
make
drives.
and model of Letty's car?
You get
got it, man. You got it.
I know I'm on the spot. Y'all put me on the spot. Oh man. I know. No. Oh man. I'm gonna go home and watch this movie now.
We'll be back.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Y'all put me on the spot.
My disappointment is immeasurable, and my day is ruined.
Yeah, Issue Meats out here. Yep. They put me on the spot. Don't come for me, alright? I'm gonna go watch the movie. Look, y'all.
I'm mad they didn't even ask you, where did the scene happen?
I know that answer. The scene where they were, the last scene of the movie, one of the last scenes of the movie where they were trying to take over the semi. I'm from the city where they filmed that, alright? I know some of y'all might be from LA, you know, where most of the movie was filmed, but that part, I know. I drove on that street a lot, alright? A lot. Hemet, California, that's where that's from. But don't come for me because,
We don't
you
rep
know,
it though.
I don't rep that city, alright? We up in the other H town now. Yeah. But damn, they put me on the spot, y'all. Don't do it. Don't do it to me. Don't oh yeah, my bad. Don't come for me. Don't come for me. Don't block me or follow me, all that, because I didn't know those answers, you know. I just forgot. I got a bad memory. I hope they don't put that on the
They definitely will. You about
they
to
gonna
get
get me.
blasted.
It's alright. It's alright. I'm out here. We're about to be famous. It's alright. It's alright. It's cool. It's cool. Yeah, let me get my trust. Alright. Sick. Dying down a little bit. Everybody got disappointed in me and left. So now I'm just playing. Meats. Pulling up. Red on red. Trevor would love that truck. All red. Got the sea dudes leaving. Go to old schools. Trucks pulling up now. Some of them coming back. But for us, we about to call it a night. That's a wrap. I want that color on this. That shit's sick. Dope. Damn, now all the cars pulling up. We about to take off. Well, we out of here. Calling it a night. All right, y'all. So we made it home from the car meet. Real quick, I just want to show y'all. I already showed y'all, but I'm gonna show y'all. This steering wheel is looking like the black buttons, way better than the silver. But yeah, we made it home. Did a quick little pull on the way home. Had it recording me. Had to drop the phone real quick. Turn on our street. See the cop. Luckily, I did the pull a little bit before that street, our street. But it would have been a bad night. It would have been a bad night. But that's all right. We're home. Thank God we home. Stay safe, y'all. And we'll see y'all in the next video.